ocean.
From the beginning of our project, the Like a Girl campaign has been our biggest inspiration. It is one of the reasons why we decided to proudly use the word girl throughout our project by continuously referring to ourselves as girls and by encouraging other girls to eliminate negative stereotypes associated with being a girl. At some point in many of our lives, the term girl has grown to have negative connotations, and it is often associated with being weak, inferior, or immature. It is seen as insulting to not only do things like a girl, but to also be referred to as a girl. We believe we can redefine what it means to be a girl, both on campus and in other aspects of our lives, and to meaning something positive and powerful. We are ready to use the term girl positively by referring to our closest female friends as girlfriends, and by having a girls' night out. Being a girl is not an insult, and together we can empower each other to prove to everyone, and being a girl is an incredible thing to be. So be brave, be bold, and be a girl. Thank you.
It's been 2 years.
Hi, I'm Wendy Stone, and I am damn proud to be a girl.
Yeah!
You don't have to be what anybody else expects you to be.
Didn't say wrecking balls inside my brain. I was screaming.
Probably not going to change the whole world, but if we can make a change on our campus, that's starting something.
This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Stop me right now. I'll be strong. I'll play my fight song. And I don't really care if nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. A lot of fight left in me. Like a small boat on the ocean, sending big waves into motion. Like how a single word can make a heart open. I might only have one match, but I can make an explosion.